in the ring today. We got University Blue versus Hyper Boy.
What's up, C Squad?
That's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Dad and son.
Kicks and cooking.
And today,
we are talking about a shoe that's kind of been on the back burner, something that we just haven't had a chance to get to. And if you're like me, I wonder if other people out there like released out. It's like release on release on release on release, right? You see a shoe, you're like, man, I want this shoe. It comes out Saturday. You catch an L or you buy it, whatever. You don't get a chance to really soak it in, enjoy the excitement, rock it for a good while, because like 3 days later, the next release. And then after that, there's 3 more shoes coming out. I see a shoe, I'm like, oh man, I can't wait to get these. Do I get these now? Because there's like 3 other shoes in the next month that I want. It's like, dude, they got us. They got us big time. But these are ones that I've had on the back burner. I did wear them once. Today we're going to review the Air Jordan Retro High OG Hyper Royal. Now this came out during like the blue craze, right? It's like the UNC Blue 4s, the UNC Blue 1s, the Hyper Royals. Right. Now we just had the Racer Blue just come out. It's like blue seasons happen. I think we're going into like yellow season next. But we're going to get right into it. If this is your first time to our channel, do us a favor, hit the subscribe and the notification bell below so you'll be first to know once we releasing some hot new content. And it also helps our channel grow.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. The Hyper Royals, they came with blue and white laces. Boom. And I'm also going to show y'all something else that I did with these.
That was not the big reveal, Dad.
You're right. Let me try that again.
All right, the whole drum roll, you gonna give me that?
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I was,
Cool. You ready?
focused on getting these out in the proper sequence.
Okay,
all right,
ready?
let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But if you see something here, I did a little something different, right?
What?
I did a little something different.
What a little something different you did there?
These come with the white laces.
I didn't see that. That's
yeah,
tough.
they come with white laces and they like a blue lace.
Yeah.
And thanks to the people at Rope Lace Supply, I was able to get some different laces that I wanted to try out.
Yeah.
And do a different kind of lace swap situation, right?
These are nice too. I love them.
Yeah, the laces are legit, man. I love them. They're good quality. And they have all kinds of flavors. Just want to tell you, they got Yeezy laces, Jordan High laces, Jordan Low laces, Dunk laces, you name it. It's
every
lace you can find. The good thing about them though, like, one pro tip, if you do go to Rope Lace Supply and order some, get you the Jordan laces that are the longest, because they give you a little extra length. Because I know whenever I use the factory laces that come with them and I lace them up to the top, sometimes it's hard to get a good tie on them because you're running out of lace.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And I don't normally lace them all the way up to the top, but if I want to, I just want to have the ability to do it with the proper length of the actual laces. But anyway, what do y'all think of this color? So I went with this like vintage blue,
yeah,
right?
That's cool.
They gotta go with the vintage wash of the shoe.
Right.
And I thought that would make a different look.
That does actually match it really good. I love that.
You like that?
Yeah, it matches with like the denim-ish type of pattern on the shoe as well.
Yeah, word. I'm glad you like
Word.
it. Word up. Versus, the white. I mean, the white's clean.
White's cool too.
I'm not mad at it, but just for something different, right? And again, like I said, they come with the dark blue to do it. But anyway, this shoe, I thought this shoe was very clean when it was coming out. We had the University Blue. Matter of fact, you have those.
I have them right here, a pair of University Blues. Now, what we're gonna do today is a little type of competition, because I have some Air Jordan ones that are pretty much the same color, but just solid all the way, right? And you have yours over there. So we're gonna do a little versus right here.
That's it.
So
it's the Jordan versus.
You got your Hyper Royals right there. I pull out my University Blues.
Yep. University Blue.
Yes.
They have been worn.
They've been worn a
They
few
have not
times.
been washed or cleaned prior to this filming.
No, they have not.
But you have the stuffing in there and everything still.
Yeah.
Okay. Get the other.
Oh, of course.
We'll go next, head to head.
Right. Oh.
These came with another set of laces too. Was it a?
They do actually. They come with the blue right here.
Oh, it is like the light blue.
But I always wanted to like switch out the laces, but I never get to doing it because whenever I'm about to go out, I just put the shoes on and dip. I never like take the time to switch out the laces and all that.
See, that's the difference, right? I spend time with my shoes.
Yes.
So it's like when middle of the day, I'm on my lunch break, whatever, I just have some downtime. I may just pull the shoes out, look at them, take a look, say, I wonder how they would look with the other laces or change up something, right? I take a, inspect them a little bit. Do they need a little wipe down, a little massaging? Sometimes just hold them, It's just the beauty of the shoe.
Wow, is that like a baby of yours now?
A little bit.
Really holding it like, oh, my sweet little baby.
That's it.
Oh.
Sweet little babies. That's it. Nice and clean.
I can't lie, that's kind of how I am with some like really good shoes that I love, I act like it's my baby. I just hold it like this because I love it so much. You know what I'm saying?
All right. So in this versus, what we want to talk about is which one. What do you guys think about Hyper Royal versus University Blue? I know this was like a super hype release coming out. Michael Jordan's Carolina Blue colorway from the college alma mater type of deal. The Hyper Royal was just something else. Nike's just like, we'll do this like almost like a denim wash. My thoughts on it is I like this from a durability standpoint because it's not like the Nubuck suede that's kind of fine. You spill stuff, you get something on this and it's not protected, you might be in trouble. It's gonna be tough to get clean and back to that nice restore that nap. Right. Where this is suede-like, but it's not the same.
Yeah. Now let me gas up mine since you gassed up yours, right?
Gas them up.
So listen, you look at these, right?
Yeah.
And you see how there's just a solid color all around.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Fresh.
It's
they're
solid,
fresh.
so it doesn't conflict like this does. See, when it has a solid color like this, it's giving the shoe the characteristic that it's just a solid dude. With your shoe, it's kind of conflicted inside because it has that blue color as well, but it's losing its blue.
It's a little wishy-washy.
Yeah, right, it's a little wishy-washy, but mine is solid. You know what I'm saying? I have to gas up mine since that's yours. You know what I'm saying?
Got you.
Exactly.
I say this is like maybe a Friday night going out, hanging out on the town, relaxing, and this is like Saturday where you going with your lady and you just you just chilling all day long. I don't know.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
Yeah, you better not.
No clue.
You better not. Oh my goodness.
Wow. I want to touch it. Thought of a little rap battle, right? So here's how it goes. All right. So we're gonna start. I gotta play every bowl right now. So I'm playing the Hyper Royals, the University Blue, and the Mediator.
Okay.
All right.
Announcer.
The announcer. All right. In the ring today, we got University Blue versus Hyper Royal. Yeah. Hey, give me a beat. Hey. It's University Blue. Yeah, we coming at it and we better than you. Look, hey, it's Hyper Royal, and I'm gonna win if we toil. Toil means fight. Yeah, we fighting all night. Yeah, and guess what? This shoe's better because it's more light. Yeah, people like lightweight shoes, but people don't like the news because the news lies sometimes, but also it tells the truth. Just keep your third eye open.
Okay. I think you killed him. Bars. This is DJ, MC, Nigel Seed Spitter over here. Just dropping bars. Dropping bars on the dad and seed, dad and son, cooks and kicking and rapping.
Yeah.
Obviously. So this is it. Just wanted to break these shoes out. Show those to you, talk about them. I guess we'll do a quick on foot and we're going to wrap it up.
Yes.